Travel should be exciting, not stressful, but packing bulky suitcases, paying baggage fees, and dragging heavy bags through airports can quickly ruin the experience. That's where the Avio Apex Travel Backpack comes in. Designed for modern travelers who want more space without carrying more weight, this backpack combines suitcase-level capacity with the comfort of a premium backpack. With built-in vacuum compression, waterproof protection, and smart organization, Avio Apex is built to change the way you travel forever. What is Avio Apex Travel Backpack? The Avio Apex Travel Backpack is a next-generation travel bag designed to replace traditional suitcases and bulky carry-ons. It combines expandable storage with built-in vacuum compression technology, allowing you to pack up to 50% more gear while still staying within airline carry-on size limits. Unlike ordinary backpacks, the Avio Apex is engineered with a structured design that expands from a compact 20-liter profile to a full 30-liter capacity. It is built using premium waterproof materials, reinforced stitching, and heavy-duty zippers, making it suitable for, business travel, weekend trips, digital nomad life, and outdoor adventures. What makes the Avio Apex stand out is its ability to deliver the storage power of a suitcase with the convenience, comfort, and mobility of a backpack. It is designed for travelers who want to move faster, pack smarter, and travel lighter. How does Avio Apex work? The Avio Apex works using a built-in vacuum compression system that allows you to shrink bulky clothing and soft items in seconds. Inside the backpack, there is a dedicated compression chamber where you place items such as clothes, jackets, and towels. Once filled, you seal the chamber and connect the Avio pump or any household vacuum to remove excess air. As the air is removed, your clothing compresses by up to 50%. Instantly creating more space without increasing the size of the bag. This means you can pack more while still staying carry-on compliant for all major airlines. In addition to compression, the bag features an expandable design that lets you switch between compact and full capacity depending on your trip. Whether you are packing for a 2-day business trip or a 7-day vacation, the Avio Apex adjusts to your needs. Features and benefits of Avio Apex. The Avio Apex Travel Backpack is built around one core idea: maximum space with minimum hassle. The built-in vacuum compression system allows you to pack nearly twice as much clothing compared to a standard backpack, making it ideal for longer trips without checked baggage. The expandable design lets the bag grow from 20 liters to 30 liters on demand, giving you flexibility without sacrificing airline compatibility. Even when fully expanded, the Avio Apex remains within international carry-on size limits and fits easily in overhead bins. The exterior is made from premium 900D waterproof fabric with TPU-coated zippers that protect your belongings from rain, spills, and rough travel conditions. Whether you're caught in a storm or navigating busy city streets, your gear stays dry and secure. Organization is another major advantage. The backpack features 3 main compartments and over 28 internal pockets, allowing you to store clothes, shoes, electronics, documents, and accessories without clutter. Everything has its place, so you can find what you need instantly without digging through your bag. For tech protection, the Avio Apex includes a dual-layer anti-shock laptop sleeve lined with suede that safely holds laptops up to 19 inches. This makes it perfect for business travelers, remote workers, and digital nomads who need reliable protection for their devices. Comfort is also a priority. The EVA foam shoulder straps and neoprene back panel distribute weight evenly, reducing strain on your shoulders and back even when the bag is fully loaded. The breathable back design keeps airflow moving, making long walks through airports and cities far more comfortable. The reflective diamond pattern interior lining improves visibility in low-light environments, making it easier to find items at night or in dim hotel rooms. The tear-resistant material ensures long-term durability even with heavy use. The Avio Apex is also TSA approved, allowing for hassle-free security checks and faster airport navigation. Its sleek, modern design looks just as good in business lounges as it does on outdoor adventures, making it a truly versatile travel companion. How to use Avio Apex. Using the Avio Apex is simple and intuitive. Start by packing your soft items such as clothes, jackets, and towels into the built-in compression chamber. Once filled, seal the chamber tightly using the built-in valve system. Next, connect the Avio pump or any household vacuum to the compression valve and remove the excess air. Within seconds, your clothing compresses down, creating extra space inside the bag. After compression, organize your remaining items using the multiple compartments and pockets. Store your laptop in the padded tech sleeve. Place accessories in the quick access pockets, and secure valuables in the hidden compartments. Once packed, adjust the shoulder straps and back support for a comfortable fit. The backpack is now ready for travel, whether you're heading to the airport, commuting to work, or exploring a new city. Avio Apex pros and cons. The biggest advantage of the Avio Apex is its built-in vacuum compression system, which completely changes how much you can pack in a carry-on size backpack. It eliminates the need for bulky suitcases and reduces airline baggage fees. The expandable design adds flexibility, allowing you to adapt the bag to different trip lengths. The waterproof construction provides peace of mind in any weather, while the premium materials ensure long-term durability. The organization system is excellent, making packing and unpacking fast and stress-free. The comfort features make it suitable for long travel days without shoulder or back pain. On the downside, the Avio Apex is priced higher than standard backpacks, though this is justified by its advanced features and premium build quality. Some users may also need a short learning curve to get used to vacuum compression if they have never used it before. Price and where to buy. The Avio Apex travel backpack is available exclusively through the official Avio website. Pricing varies depending on current promotions and bundle offers. The standard single backpack is priced at $179 with free shipping. Bundle offers include buy one, get one at 50% off and buy two, get one free, offering significant savings for couples or families. Every purchase includes a lifetime warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to test the backpack risk-free. Order ship within 24 to 48 hours, with delivery typically arriving within 3 to 5 business days in the United States. To ensure you receive an authentic product with full warranty coverage, it is recommended to purchase directly from the official website. Avio Apex conclusion. If you want to travel lighter, faster, and smarter, the Avio Apex travel backpack is one of the best investments you can make. With built-in vacuum compression, expandable storage, waterproof protection, and unmatched organization, it replaces bulky suitcases with a single powerful backpack. Whether you travel for work, adventure, or lifestyle, Avio Apex gives you more freedom and less stress. One bag. Endless possibilities.